In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in QuickBooks. If you've ever needed to share your financials, back up your records, or analyze your business outside of QuickBooks, exporting your data is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through where to find the export tool, what each option means, and how to wrap things up in a clean Excel file. Start by heading to the top right corner of QuickBooks and clicking the Settings icon. In the menu that opens, look under the Tools section and choose Export Data. This brings you to a simple screen with two tabs, Reports and Lists. Think of reports as summaries of what happened in your business, and lists as the master details behind those summaries. On the Reports tab, you'll export summarized financial data. This is where you'll find standard and custom reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, sales reports, and tax summaries. Use this when you want a clear financial snapshot. Before you export, choose the specific report type you need. Then set the date range so the data reflects the exact period you care about, whether that's last month, last quarter, or a custom range. You can also pick your export format. While PDF is great for polished read-only sharing, Excel is ideal if you want to filter, sort, or run your own analysis afterward. Tightening the date range can keep files smaller and easier to work with. Switching to the Lists tab gives you structured records, your core business data. This includes customers, vendors, products and services, and your chart of accounts. Exporting lists is perfect for backups, migrations, or moving data into other systems. It keeps everything neatly organized so you can reference names, balances, and item details in a familiar spreadsheet layout. If you're preparing for a system change or cleaning up records, exporting lists first can give you a safe snapshot to compare against. Once you've reviewed your selections and you're comfortable with your choices, you're ready to finish. Simply click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will generate the file and download it to your computer, typically into your default downloads folder. Open the file to confirm everything looks right, and consider saving it in a secure, clearly labeled folder so you can find it later. That's all it takes to export data in QuickBooks. Use reports for summarized financials, use lists for structured records, and finish by exporting to Excel for easy analysis and sharing. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.